Well, the story of Venture Incubator is a story of passion for innovation. I think that would be the best summary for what we're doing. The fund was started in 2000 by 10 large Swiss corporations called Nestlé, Novartis, Hilti, Sulzer, etc., all the big names in this country. I personally joined 2 years after the team, and the goal was and is to develop long-lasting companies coming out of universities, very early stage, technology-driven. So far, I would say so good. I mean, we've done 35 investments since I started. We've invested 105 million in these companies. We've invested those 105 million across the board. It's IT, it's life science, and within life science, biotech, medtech, and there's really a bit of everything. Half in Swiss Romand, half in Swiss Germany. 85–90% are university spin-offs. Those companies have created roughly 700 and something jobs. Those companies have raised in total 350 million, so hundreds and something from us, but then also from others. So we have a big role in trying to help them raise further funding. We've had 15 exits since then. Of those 15 exits, half, I don't know whether it's 7 or 8 were at a loss, and the rest was at a gain. Gives you a bit of an idea. We sold those companies for 60 million, so we've proven we keep the ball rolling. It's an evergreen fund, so like Dominique, we have to live off the proceeds of our trade sales. So that's very important for us also to have those exits. It's also a proof that we can do something which can go on for a long time. I think a big advantage of an evergreen also is that you're not timing dependent. As you know, most limited partnerships have a timing, so they have to invest during a period, they have to divest during a period. If you hit the wrong timing, you have a problem. In an evergreen, you can afford being on the sideline for a while, you can afford stepping in stronger at other different moments. So I think that's a big advantage we have. What are our strengths and weaknesses? I think the strengths are our weaknesses in both. We're entrepreneurs. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur for 20 odd years now, and I love it. So you get involved in the company more and more. And sometimes you have a hard time saying this is wrong. You just try to make it work. So it's good, but it's bad. So you can probably see what I mean. My priorities, if I go forward, are to do different things, maybe, than what I've done in the past. Is only go for the big stuff. I think we've done too many deals where we thought we can help a company be the world market leader of a $10 or $20 million market. That doesn't work. It's very difficult. Or you have to think it differently to say, I'm going to make it happen, but I'm going to sell it very quickly to a company who can bring it big. But if you really are the prime investor, go for a big idea. I'd love to get private investors involved. I think the private investors have the luxury of having lateral thinking. If you think about most VC funds, they're driven by committees, by partnerships and things like that. If you search the parks of all cities, you'll never find a statue of a committee, right? I think you only find people that have great ideas if they're motivated by themselves, they really can decide by themselves. So you can have that in a partnership, but it's difficult. So I like to have private investors with us. I think they bring a lot of value in that respect. I think there's a merit also of doing it again and again. That's the, what Christian was saying before of repeat entrepreneurs. And do it when you enjoy it. So that's it.
Thanks a lot. Great quote. I'll use this one.